apocalypse.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad that you're here with me in Tinkercad. We are going to create a new design in beta, and we're going to call this one Part in a Part. So click up top and put Part in a Part, put your name after it, and click OK. Alright, make sure you're in the beta and grab a box and bring it out. Because we're in the beta, we can click on it and we can make it 10 on each side real quick and easy. If you press enter, that locks it in immediately. So get your cube to be 10 by 10, just like that. I would then like you to use Control D as in dog to duplicate it, and then tap the arrow keys to move your new duplicated one over and make it a different color. And we're going to shrink its sizes by 2 on each side. So 8, 8 and press enter. And lastly, 8 and press enter. The next thing I want you to do is to make the small one a hole. Select both of them. Click your align tool, and we want to center them side to side on the other side, and we want to center them vertically. So now it's totally inside, which is really cool, but you notice you can't see it. We're going to click on the red one, and instead of solid, we're going to make it solid color and transparent. And now you can see your new piece on the inside. Then I want you to select both, and when you hit group, you'll notice that that inside now has a cutout square that is a part of it. That is a part in a part. We're going to take it a little bit further though. I need you to set your work plane by hitting W and set it on the front of your shape, and I want you to bring a cylinder out. I want you to click on that cylinder, and I want you to make it 5 by 5. The length of it is fine as it is. I want you to then shut off your work plane by hitting W and clicking the blue line on the outside. Use the cone to lower your cylinder down. Use the arrows to move it a little bit. Then when you've got both pieces, I want you to do that align again, and we want to align it on the center and on the center so that it's aimed to poke into our shape. With it lined up like that, click on it and use the arrow keys. Notice I am looking at it from the top, and I only want it to cut in one piece. I don't want it to cut all the way through. Make it a hole, and once it's a hole, I want you to group those two pieces so that now you can see there is a hole inside our box. I'd like you to shut off the transparent and check it out. We have made a cute little bird feeder by putting a hole in a hole and cutting out another part. Let's use that W to do the work plane, and let's quickly put on a roof. Remember, our shape is 10 by 10, so just click and type 10, click and type 10, and then use your arrow keys to line that cute little fella up. There you have a part in a part. If you want to tinker and make it a little bit more awesome, you can. I'm going to hit W to shut off my work plane and get it back to normal. I'm going to select both those pieces, and I'm going to align them so that they're centered, and it looks just awesome. So there you have it. You have used a part in a part and the transparent tool to make an awesome little bird feeder or birdhouse.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.